User Guide for ComPDF HTML Template Editor. Click the New Template button on the home page. Set the template name and template description. You will enter the HTML Template Editor to design HTML template and input JSON data after creating the template. Design your template by pasting an existing HTML content, or create a new one by entering custom content and adjusting its properties. Edit your HTML template as you want. The design of my invoice HTML template is now complete. Now, let's input the JSON data for this HTML template. You can upload a JSON file or paste or type JSON code directly. All the placeholders for the data will be recognized and generated automatically. Placeholders are already set in my edited template. No manual insertion needed. For new templates, configure settings on the right before inserting. Click to insert the placeholder into your HTML template. You can also copy and paste it. For currency, you need to change the data into a value. And set how the currency is displayed in your outputted PDF invoice. For tables, you can insert corresponding field placeholders into the first cell on the left side of the data row after your setting. Ensure all placeholders have matching JSON data, or PDF export will fail. This is the generated PDF by ComPDF Generation. After your template design, you can save and output your HTML template, JSON data, and template data.